Hello friends, so today I'm gonna make chicken jalfrezi. So here I have bell peppers. I took 5 medium-sized bell peppers and I just cut them in a square pieces. As you guys can see, some of them are not square even, but most of them are square, so it's just like this. So here I have 1.5 kg boneless meat. I just marinated it before, like it was marinated for 1 hour. So what I add for the marination, I added 1 teaspoon of chili flakes, 2 tablespoons of yogurt, and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and 1 teaspoon of salt. So it is good enough for the serving of 6 to 8%. It depends on the combo you like. If you are serving it with rice, then it's for 6%, and if you are serving it with chapati or tortilla, then it's good enough for 8%. So let's see what we made in our dinner: chapati or rice. So I just let it rest for 60 minutes, so then I will cook it. It's up to you. If you don't have much time, so you can marinate it. Like before starting cooking any procedure, you can first marinate your chicken, then prepare anything. So it will take at least 30 minutes, so that's enough too. And here I have this coriander and green chilies for the garnish. And here I have tomatoes. I cut them in this kind of slice, like square pieces. And here I have onions. I will just stir fry them. So here I have onions, chilies, garlic and ginger. I'll make masala with this. So here I have these spices which I'm gonna add in masala. I have 1 tablespoon of red pepper, 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of garam masala, 1 tablespoon of cumin powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, and 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Here I have these things for the sauce. Here I have 1 tomato. You can see the 1 tomato here, and here you can see the pulp. So I didn't add the pulp in this, so I'm gonna use it in the sauce. So here I have tomato ketchup. I will use it, soya sauce, lemon juice, chili sauce, papaya sauce, and here I have crushed chili. So for this I will make sauce. So let's start our cooking. So here I put 1 cup of olive oil. You can use any oil, but here I'm using olive oil, and 2 medium sliced onions. So I will fry it till golden, then I will show you. So till then our onions are getting fried. So what I did, I put half cup of water, and now I will blend all the spices together in a jar. So here when you have your onions at this stage, so first of all you have to do is you have to medium your flame, and then you have to keep moving your spatula from right to left or left to right. So because in this time it's a very quick procedure, so your heat will be equal at every side when you will move it. So within a minute it's just gonna be golden brown. You can see few of them are like, you can see they're white, so they are also gonna be golden brown. So here you guys can see our onions are fried well, the golden brown color which we need. So I just take them out in the plate. We will use them later. So now our mixture is ready: ginger, garlic and chili. So I will add it here, and then now we will just cook it for 1 minute, and then we will add the chicken. So now it is time to add the chicken. So I will fry till its color is changed from pinkish to whitish. So here at this stage, when the chicken is white, it just changed the color, and there you can see a small bubbles. So now it's time to add all the spices here. we will mix them well and let it cook for 10 minutes. My flame is medium, so I will keep it medium till 10 minutes. So till then our chicken is getting ready. Here in the pan I have 2 spoons of olive oil, and now I will saute the onions. My flame is high. So it's your choice. If you don't want to saute them, you can add them directly, but I really like the texture and color when I just little bit fry them in the pan, so it gives more delicious and more good look as well. So now you can see the color and texture. It's like from the corners it's like burn and brown. So now it's time to take them out. And now we will fry our bell peppers. So here you can see our bell peppers are almost ready. I really like this texture. It's getting brown and it has very nice color as well. So now we will take it out. Now it's time to add these tomatoes. So here you can see the color of tomatoes. They are done, so I will take it out. So while our chicken is getting ready and our veggies are fried nicely, now it's time to prepare our sauce. So here we will go. So here for the sauce I will add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. You can add vinegar as well. And 1 tablespoon of chili sauce. And here I have papaya sauce. So this one is very spicy, so I'm just gonna add half tablespoon, yes. And here we will add few chili flakes. So now the main thing is that in the blender I'm gonna add all the tomatoes and the onion I fried before. I'm gonna add this one too. And here I'm gonna add half cup of water and all the sauces which I mixed here. I'm gonna add it. Now we will blend it. So now I have 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Now I will add all the mixture here. And I will add 5 tablespoons of ketchup in it. So now I'm gonna add this ketchup. I will add 5 tablespoons. So now we will let the sauce cook for about 5 minutes till the bubbles appear. Then we will add it in the chicken. Our chicken is almost ready, so our sauce is getting ready. We will just wait for it. We will keep moving the spatula so the heat will be equal on all sides, so it will be a quick process. So as you can see, our sauce is ready. You can see the bubbles we were waiting for. So now it's time to add all the veggies because chicken is tender well. So now we will put all the veggies here. Now check out the color of these veggies. I really like it. We will mix it well in the chicken. So now it is time to add the sauce in it. So now we will cover it and let it cook for 4 minutes. And our flame is very medium. So here is the final look of our chicken jalfrezi. Now it's done. So I will garnish it with some fresh coriander leaves and some green chilies, and I will dish it out and I will show you how it looks. So now our chicken jalfrezi is ready. The color of all the veggies is looking very nice. I really like it. And I really love the steam coming out here. It's night here in UK and its time is almost 15 and it's a dinner time here. So we will eat this in dinner, and let's see, you can make any combo with this, like with rice, with tortilla, or some homemade chapati. So let's see what I'm gonna add. So it is good enough for the serving of 6 to 8%. It depends on the combo you like. If you are serving it with rice, then it's for 6%, and if you are serving it with chapati or tortilla, then it's good enough for 8%. So let's see what we made in our dinner, chapati or rice. So here you can see my dinner plate is ready. So now we are gonna eat it with rice, chicken jalfrezi and rice.